Today we're going to see how we can implement inheritance in JavaScript using prototype. Let's say we have base class. It has got a property called main. I have assigned some value to it. And we have a subclass named subclass. And we have a property called details, which has got some value. It is a website. Now we're creating an instance. When to say we're creating an instance object of the subclass and trying to access a method which doesn't exist in subclass. So we'll get an error that base class.object.get full name is not a function. That's great. Now we want to access properties of base class in subclass. How we can do that? We can simply do it by using base class dot call. What will happen? This method will call the base class into the subclass, so it will have access to all the properties of base class in subclass. Okay, and okay, and now we have and now we want to create a prototype method called getFullName of base class, and we want to copy that prototype into the subclass. How we can do that? We can simply do it by like this: subclass of prototype equal to object.create base class dot prototype. What will happen? Copy the prototype of base class into the prototype of subclass. So now subclass will have access to all the prototype methods of base class. So now what will be the result of this one? This will be liveflix.com. Now what happens if we have get full name prototype method in both subclass and the base class? Okay, let's say if we have this method. Now let's say we have this get full name prototype method in both in base class and in subclass. And now if we are trying to create a full name method using the instance object of subclass. Now what will be the result of it? It is a website which calls from the prototype method of subclass. So what we can understand from this is prototype chain is from lower to higher level. It will search in its class prototype method. If it finds there, it will print. It won't go to the prototype method of the base class. If it does not, then it will go to the prototype method of the base class. Now let's say if we have definition of let's say now we don't have the definition of prototype method get name in base class in subclass or in the base class, but we have its definition in the master object prototype. So what will happen? Now it will print I am master object from the prototype method of the master object class. See, you can see I'm master object. So thus we can conclude that prototype chaining works from lower to higher level. It searches in the subclass, then in the base class, and then in the master object. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you.